Hey beginners, let's talk about how to hold your crochet hook. So there are basically two common ways. One is a pencil grip, like you hold your pencil while writing. This is one grip, and another is a knife grip, like how we hold the knife like this, like this. I'm holding the knife, so this is another grip. So I mean, neither is wrong or right. You can just practice, start with any of the grip, and which one feels more comfortable with, you can proceed with that. So I feel more comfortable with the knife grip, like this I'm holding, and this is a little easy for me to do the crochet work. So like this, you can see, right? I'm holding like a knife, and I'm just doing some chains here. You can see like this. So this is quite easy. I feel for beginner this is little easy. Like for me it works anyway. You can try. And another is the pencil grip, is like you can hold like, yes, you can hold like this pencil. Then you can do your chain. As you can see, I'm not that comfortable with this pencil grip. I'm facing little difficulty with this grip. Yeah, so do try both and just see which one works best for you, and you can stick to that. Yeah, thank you so much. And more crochet tips, then please subscribe to my channel Journey with Crochet. Thank you. Bye bye.